shughuli tangu asubuhi na tumetembelea familia kadhaa karibu 800. Hawa ni karibu 801 tumewafikia sasa. So naomba mtusamee kwa kuja kuchelewa. But lengo letu kuu siku ya leo ni kuja kuweza kujumuika na hawa siku hii katika sherehe zao za sikukuu. Sisi kama Wakristo, we are riding on the Great Commission that our Lord Christ said we go to the world and reach out to the world. And so we are here today to share the love of Christ with this family, just to bless their lives and to give them an opportunity to also enjoy in this celebration. This is just part of our donation. We hope to come back maybe in 4 or 5 days time, so that then we can come up with a elaborate plan to help them in long term. And we're very happy to see the kids and also to join in to welcome the new baby into the world. Barrier in communication, and so we're really delighted to have this opportunity to touch them, and our goal is to reach as many as we can in this community.
Money we don't have because we pay rent. It is not enough. We ask friends for help. Friends have problems because of Corona. It is impossible, very impossible to help us. Now, God will give us a lot. We think with the children, they will enjoy the food which you have brought. We are happy. Thank you. Thank you for the disabled party. Thank you a lot. You continue helping us. Other people challenges we have. Corona is true, it's here. Deaf, it is impossible to get money. Same get work. We go, we get money. Corona everywhere. We say thank you for the sponsors who have brought this food here. We welcome you again. Wanasema huku Kilifi wengi hawana mask. Walionao ni moja. Sasa hiyo moja alionayo aifue aitumie hiyo moja, ambapo si vizuri. Wanaomba kama watapata mfadhili awasaidie na mask.